I'm Bennett the Baker. We are making Christmas Jello Cake. We're baking with baby mayo. I think that's the we need to make it. I guess we need to make it right now. Maybe we need to kind of mash it up and put the fragrance in. All of it, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, I put an Oreo in.
You did.
Let's see what happens. Mom, I want to see what happens. Water and throw it. It's full of all that water.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, I think I need to get the water. Mom, I'm making this very good cake, but I don't think it's happening. Because it's really tricky for a Bennett job. I think it's a mommy job.
Okay, I can come help you.
A bag and 2 pans. What are we going to do? Put it in the oven. Okay, cool. Put holes in it. I think it's cold. Let's do this one. It didn't have any turn to that.
Mm-hmm.
That's really good. On top. Again. Then pan the first one or yellow step. After the yellow step, take the cake out of the pan. Put hot water in for it to come out. Cover it and cool it. That's where the favorite goes. Good job. Good job. Go. For watching, happy baking.